Guys, birthday ni Papa tomorrow. Ayan. Like and subscribe at saka bubuksan niyo itong note. Wait lang guys, picturean ko naman na siya. Happy birthday, Papa. I love you so much. I wish you like my gift.
I love you so much.
Buksan niyo na.
Okay,
Basta.
Sige na, buksan mo na. Sige. Hindi yan. Next day, buksan na.
Happy birthday, Papa! Open! From Eliza to Papa.
Mabasa ka.
Nalap ko ng aki ko. Ay, hindi daw.
Papa.
Ay. Basahin ko. Happy birthday, Papa. I love you so much. Thank you so much that you work hard from my needs and I wish that we will be together. Now, matter
No matter what.
no matter what, I love you so much. So happy birthday to my father. You are the best father. No matter what, I love you, and I wish you a happy birthday from Eliza to Papa. Yay! I love you so much. Mwah! Pag-ibig! Kisa. Wow.
Hindi mo yung mga kapatid. Guys, like and subscribe naman please kayo dito sa tatay ko. Birthday niya guys.
sabi niya, we will always
Tomorrow.
be together no matter what.
Kan mo tayo no matter what yung basahan dito paanang ko.
Saan?
Bigyan mo dito sa paanang ko yung no matter what na yan.
Saan? Ito?
Ang basahan.
Basta na naktrap po ba? Yung ano ba? Yung punasan ang paa.
Ano ba?
Yung puta. Yung puta.
Ano daw?
Alam mo yun? Puta. Alam mo yun?
Trap.
Ikaw guys.